This is the virtual tour of 886 Wescott Sq, apartment 201, here on May 8th, actually May 9th, 2021. Coming into the unit, step right away into the biggest room, living room, dining room. We have the entry buzzer, so you can buzz your friends in, fire extinguisher, hopefully you never need it. We're going to pan around here and come back to the kitchen. This room, by the way, is bigger than it looks. It's about 24 feet all the way to the end, and it's about 12 feet wide, I believe, at that widest spot. Kitchen, got a dishwasher. We'll just kind of peek at all these appliances on the inside so you can see the condition of them. Everything's in real good shape. Sink. New faucet, by the way, just put that on a little bit ago. Ceramic top cooktop. And we're going to look in the oven here. You can kind of see how it's clean. Microwave, and pan back here. Clean there. Coming across the kitchen. We have the washer, it's a refrigerator freezer. Once again, all the shelves are intact and nice and clean. So now we're going to take a look at the rest of the apartment, and hopefully I don't get too dizzy spinning you around here, but we have center island, non-smoking unit. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. Got a little deck. It's only about 4 feet by about 8 feet, but it does overlook the parking area, some buildings next door, a little grassy area, and then there's a park right behind us. Pan into the kitchen, you can see there's lots of cabinets. Pan back around one more time. This is just a quick tour, so hopefully, once again, we don't get too dizzy here watching it. First bedroom is about 8 by 10. Decent carpet, just got cleaned. Mini blinds on the window. Closets. Closets are an extra 2 feet deep, but this one's probably 6 feet wide. Nothing fancy, just a bar and a shelf. Carpet inside there. And they're all pretty much like that, so. Most people call this the master bedroom, so what I see is this is a room that everybody sleeps in. 11 by 12 is what the dimensions are. It's got a 6-foot closet door there. The closet actually is a little bit wider, so it's about a 10-foot closet door. So that's what we have there. Coming into the bathroom. Single vanity. Toilet, which is clean. Jacuzzi tub. I don't know how many people use the jacuzzi tub, but it does work. We just tried it out, cleaned it up. Coming back around to the final bedroom, which is about 9 by 13. Same closet setup, 2 feet deep, 6-foot doors, and the closet's a little bit wider than that. We're going to look out the window here. These got mini blinds. You can see there's kind of a park in the back, grassy area, little walking path. A little tough to see from this angle, but it's a decent area. City of Eagan has a little park back there. This is apartment 201, so it's upstairs. And we're going to go back in the master bedroom. We're going to look out this window. Maybe you can see a little bit better. Trees are just coming the leaves are just coming on the trees this time of year. Little playground back there. So that is pretty much what we got here. Did I point out the washer and dryer? Small apartment size washer dryer, nothing super fancy. Small loads is what does it. And then you do a bunch of them. So we're going to come back to the kitchen. Do a quick pan around the kitchen. And that is the virtual tour of 886 Wescott Sq, Eagan, Minnesota, 55123, apartment 201 here on May 9th, 2021.